All right, let's talk about AT&T stuff.
The state seeking an order prohibiting the defense from continuing to allege that the state received timing advance records from AT&T for Mr. Kohberger. What we don't want, throughout the entirety of this case, they've alleged that. We're seeking to prohibit them from making that same allegation in front of a jury because it's false. Timing advance records, really timing is what's at issue. And in 2022, the days that we're concerned about are 7 days. However, by the time that Mr. Kohberger was identified in December 19th, and by the time we applied for a search warrant for his AT&T records, we were outside of that 7-day window. So there were no timing advance records to be received, and we did not receive any.
We're requesting the court deny the state's motion and allow us to cross-examine their expert, Agent Ballance, with regard to timing advance records.
What evidence do you have that timing advance records existed that the state could have acquired for Mr. Kohberger?
Well, Your Honor, specific...
I've read your affidavit of Mr. Ray, and he seems to entirely ignore the 7-day issue and doesn't address it.
Your Honor, his affidavit, I think, starts before to explain to the court some of the history about where the timing advance records come from. And in fact, I'm going to jump ahead and tell you why I think I should get to ask Agent Ballance about these records.
But he's not indicated he has any evidence, time of the murder, that those would still be in existence.
We've never heard from Agent Ballance, who is FBI and who has the back door. My first question to Special Agent Ballance, who would be the person who would have gotten these through a different channel, through the FBI, would have been, did you get them? Asking him the question is really what I wanted to be able to do, and that's why I opposed this motion and prepared it as I did.
Tell you what, I'll let you ask that question outside the presence of the jury.
Thank you.
At the time of trial.
That will satisfy me. Thank you.